Hi, and welcome to the Edison Public Library. In today's video, we will be discussing another feature on the library's website. Did you know that our library has a local history digital archive? Well, this archive is great for people who are into history, or perhaps they are interested in doing research about the Township of Edison. So, let's begin. So, in order to access this archive, first you would have to open up Internet Explorer and go to our library's website, which is www.edisonpubliclibrary.org. Next, you click on Research, which is above here, and then click on Local History Digital Archives. And as you can see, we are now at the Digital Archive main page. And this archive allows you to browse what we currently have, or to do a search for something that you're interested in looking up about the history of Edison. So in order to browse, look on the top of the page, and then you will see the categories where all the information is listed. So you see here albums and scrapbooks, files, meeting minutes, newsletters, newspapers, photo albums, and photos. Now if you click on one of these, it'll take you to all the documents that are available and that are uploaded to the site. So for example, if you click on photos, you can then scroll down and select one of the files to view. So for example, maybe I want to look at the Thomas Alva Edison as a boy. So once you click on it, now you can see a zoomed in picture of Thomas Alva Edison. Now if you're looking for something specific, what I would recommend is clicking on the search function, and the search function is in the top right here of the page. So once you click on search, you will then see a search box right in the middle of the page. And here is where you can search what your interest is or what term you're looking to look up. So for this exercise, what we could do is look up the Stelton Baptist Church. And then after you click on search, it'll scan everything that we have already in the archive. And as you can see, there are about 47 results that contain those search terms and 67 results containing some of the search terms. And we could also see that there's 12 pages of results. So as you scroll down, perhaps you could see what some of the stuff that's actually in our archive. So for example, if I'm looking up something specific about the graveyard that's at the Stelton Baptist Church, you can click over here, and when you click on it, you will see all of the graveyard listings of the people who are in the graveyard at the Stelton Baptist Church. As you can see, we just did a basic browse of our digital archive, and I also showed you how to do a search for a specific topic in the archive as well. But please know that our library is currently adding more historical pieces to this archive, as this is not the finished product, because our library has numerous materials, historical information, and documents that we are currently uploading to the site. That's going to take many months to actually complete. But definitely check it out, because it's a very informative tool, especially for students or for anybody who's interested in history, or perhaps maybe you want to know a little bit more about the past that's going on in Edison Township. So if you have any questions, please call the library and speak to a librarian, and we can definitely help you with more information about this local history digital archive. Thank you.